This is portable inflatable ice bath tub. A first-class portable ice bath, hot bath machine for reducing inflammation and speed up athletic recovery. All new version of the world's most popular ice bath machine. The perfect choice for most recovery and pre-cooling applications. Ice bath will be quick to set up, easy to use and fast to pack up and transport. Completely redesigned, it has heaps of cooling power, quiet automatic operation, excellent reliability, easy mobility, and all at a surprisingly low cost for all this technology.
OEM Sauna Factory. Accept customized design sauna, 8mm sauna wood material, LCD controller, Bluetooth music, far infrared carbon crystal heating plate, LED lights, high quality hemlock, leakage protection, toughened glass door, anion oxygen, 1-year quality assurance, OEM Sauna Factory. Accept customized design sauna, 8mm sauna wood material, LCD controller, Bluetooth music, far infrared carbon crystal heating plate, LED lights, high quality hemlock, leakage protection, toughened glass door, anion oxygen, 1-year quality assurance.